Good afternoon. Ian Cooper here with ChasingMarkets.com. Hope this finds you well. We have an interesting technical setup on Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently pulled back to just under 6,500 earlier today, catching triple bottom support. As you can see, dating back to February of this year, each time it catches this support line, it has a tendency to pivot and turn higher. In February, it did so from 6,500 to 12,000. It did so again in April of this year, rallying from about 6,600 to 10,000. Now, analysts believe that Bitcoin may be setting up to rally again off of the same support level to at least 10,000 again. However, we never want to rely just on support and resistance lines to dictate if we should buy or exit a trade. We want to confirm it even more. We can use Bollinger Bands, for example. Now, these Bollinger Bands are set at 2 standard deviations above and below the 20-day moving average. But we want to confirm even more. So we can use relative strength or RSI. Notice what happens when RSI pulls back to around its 70 line, confirming Bollinger Bands at the lower band. We can confirm even more with fast stochastic. Notice what happens when the fast stochastic drops to or below its 20 line. And we can confirm even more with moving average convergence divergence when it drops below its mean, letting us know it has become oversold. Now, if we use all these indicators together, triple bottom support, Bollinger Bands, RSI, fast stochastic, and MACD, we can confirm that the Bitcoin may be setting up to rally even higher from this point, as it has done in April and February of this year. Now, we can see a similar setup if we look at ETC or Ethereum Classic. If we look at a 6-month chart, for example. Now, you can notice here as well, we again have triple bottom support dating back to February of this year. When it hit this support line around $14 on Ethereum Classic back in February, it rallied from 14 to nearly 45. It did so again, rallying from just under 14 to more than 25 starting out in April. And now it seems to have caught the same level of support around 14 again. Now, you can tell that it is oversold because it's at its lower Bollinger Band again. And we can confirm oversold conditions looking at RSI near its 70 line, the fast stochastic around its 20 line, and MACD below its mean. Now, if all of these indicators align, we can often tell that a cryptocurrency, a stock, an ETF, an index may be about to pivot and move in the other direction. These are just some things to be aware of if you're trading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic. This is just something to be very well aware of. We'll speak again very soon. Thanks so much.